we just got jersey from Minejersey, and we're just gonna open it. This will be 24-25 PSG Away Jersey with Kang In-mi marking. You excited?
Yeah, really excited. I've been waiting a couple weeks for this.
This is the player jersey, player grade jersey, and we got the patch on the sleeve. Ligang patch, and let's show the front. Yeah, totally the player grade is very different from the replica, and very nice material. We have 23-24 PSG jersey as well, but that was replica, and this one is the player grade. Definitely worth it, I think. A lot lighter, a lot softer, and lots of authentic tags, including this one as well, and the marking on the back looks great as well. And as far as I can tell, the font is exactly the same as the one that I've seen on the TV. And it's got even little details like dry fit and the Ligue 1 logo on the bottom of the numbers, and the little French flag tag. So it looks good, very good, very happy.